Now guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can be able to create a website in some few minutes. Now this web design tool that I have found lets you create websites in just about 5 minutes and you are done. Now it is so simple to use that you can be able to just take your web design project to a different level. Now as you see over here, all what I did was just give it a very small description and I was able to create this beautiful website over here, as you can see over here. Now the website is a WordPress website, so everything that you're going to get is built on WordPress and you can be able to use WordPress to edit it anyhow you want it. Now without wasting my time, let's jump into the video. So guys, all what I want you to do is open your browser and then just type in zipwp.com. Or you can go to Google and search for ZipWP. Now you're going to land on this beautiful website over here. And then this platform, all what it does is it helps you to create websites in just 60 seconds, as they say over. But then I have time myself to about 5 to 10 minutes and I'll be able to get my website done. So what it does is it is powered by AI and it will help you to create your website in some few minutes, and then you can take the website to any place that you want to take it and then host it over there. So you can just log in if you have an account, or you can sign up and then start creating your website. So it is very simple to sign up. Just click on sign up over here and then enter your name, your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, and then click on create account, and then you'll be able to verify your account and sign in into your account. Now I already have an account, so I'm just going to jump into the account and show you how the whole system works and looks like. All right guys, so this is my ZipWP dashboard over here. So as you can see, I have a free account over here. Now that is it. It is what you can have a free account and then you can also have a paid account, but I'm using the free account, and the free account allow you to create 3 websites on it. So basically I heard it was 3 websites a day. I haven't tested if it is either a day or not, but all what I see over here is what just create 3 websites. Okay, so if you are testing the system, you can just go over there and then create 3 websites a day for yourself. Now what we are going to do over here is we're just going to create a website. So you can, on your left side over here, you see that we have the menu items over here. Now all what you need to do is just either click on create a blank website or complete website. So as you see, if you click over here, it will hide what is underneath, and then if you click over here, it will bring it over here. So these 2 things are the ones working right now. You can either create a blank website, design it yourself, or you can create a complete website. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here and then click on complete website. So we're going to create a complete website from this beautiful platform over here. Now as you can see on the left side, it have the steps that you're gonna follow over here. So the first one is you select the type, that is who this website is for. And then the second one, the name of the website, you describe the website in details, what you're going to do, and then you select the images that you want, and then you add your contact for people to get in touch with you, and then you choose a design structure that you want, and then you configure your personalize it, or the colors and everything that you want, and then you are done. Your website is done. So all what we're going to do is what do we want? So let's say we want a simple business website. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on, but then there are so many categories that you can choose from. If your category is not over here, just choose other over here, and then you are good to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on business over here, and then you can choose your language that you want the site to be built in, but I want it in English, and then click on continue. Now you give a name for your website. So what name is your website called? Since it's a business website, so let's say I'm creating so let's say I'm creating a digital marketing website. Okay, so all what I'm going to say is, maybe I will say digital marketing. Okay, so let's say that is the name of my business, or the name of my website. So I'm just going to click on continue over here. Now over here, you can either go ahead and click on write using AI, or you can give some few description for the AI, and then you improve using the AI. So the best thing for you is to just tell the AI something small about your business, and then you can go ahead and let AI improve it for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell AI something small about my business. So I'm just going to put in what I want AI to build on for me, and then I'll go ahead and then click on improve with AI, and then AI will improve it for me. Now guys, now that I have given AI what I want them to build, AI to build on, all what I need to do is to just click over here which says improve using AI. So I'm going to just click on it, and AI will do its magic and do everything that I want it to do for me. So as you can see, AI have refined whatever I wrote, and then giving me everything that I need. So if I'm okay with it, all what I need to do is to just click on continue over here. The next stage over here is for us to select images. Okay, so now we're going to select images over here. So it will pre-select images based on your what your website is all about. Okay, so as you can see, it has pre-selected some of the images for us. Okay, 20 images for us. Now you can go ahead and then remove some and then bring different images in it. So for instance, I want to remove this particular one over here, and then anything that I feel like is not good for me, I will just remove it, and then just add. I want to remove this one. Let me see, I want to remove this one also. So I can go ahead and remove the things that I don't need, and then add certain things in it. So I want to add this one to it, and then let me just go through and then remove some of these things. So basically this and this one is almost the same, so I want to remove this one. I want to remove this one also, remove this. So I have 14 images. Now I can go ahead and just cancel this one, and then let's say I want to write social media. Okay, and then click enter or hit enter, and then it will give me some social media images, and then I can add it to it. So I'm just going through to see all the social media images that I want to be added. Let me just use this one, and then maybe this one. Then I can go ahead, based on my services that I provide. I can even click on graphic design, and then see the graphic design things that it will give to me over here. So as you can see, either logos or whatever it is. So let me choose this one over here. I like this picture, so I'm going to choose this picture also, and then I think I'm good to go. So all what I need to do, if I'm okay with the images, I can click on continue over here, and then I'll go to the next stage, which is to give my contact out so that it will be added to the website. So I'm just going to write my contact over here, my email address, and then I'll go ahead and give my phone number also out, and then you can also give your address. So I'm just going to say Accra, Ghana, and then if you have social media, you can also add it to it. So let's say I want to add Facebook to it, so I can just enter my Facebook details over here. So I'm just going to add facebook.com/Kitech Digital GH. Now guys, follow me on Facebook. Okay, let's linked up. So follow this page on Facebook, and then you can add your Instagram and all those things. So you can add Instagram, you can add your Twitter or X, you can add your LinkedIn, you can also add your YouTube channel. So let me add YouTube also over here. So I'm gonna say youtube.com/@Kitech Digital. Alright guys, so now that I'm done, I will go to the next step, which is design. So I'm going to just click over here, that is continue, and then it will move us to the next step, which is we're going to choose the design, that is the structure that we want our website to be built on. Okay, so it will give us so many designs for us to choose from, and then based on the one you like, you're just going to choose from, and then you configure the way you like it, and then we go to it's done for us to check it out. So let's wait and then let the design load for us. Now guys, as you can see, it has given us a lot of structure and design that we can choose from. So you can go through it and then choose the kind of design that you want. Okay, so I'm going to choose, any design that I want to use. Now if you want to see the complete design, like that is the home pages and other stuff, you just hover on it, and then you're gonna see everything over here. Okay, so as you can see, this is how it looks like. Some of them the pictures over here doesn't really relate to what I'm dealing with, but as you can see, you can be able to see almost everything that you want. That is the design, the structure, everything, and then you can be able to choose from. I'm going to choose the first design over here because that is really what I like, this simple design over here. I like this design, so I'm just going to select this one, and then I'm going to click on continue over here. As you can see, it tells us that what congratulations, you are almost there, meaning that it's going to give you a brief overview of what you entered over here, and then you can go ahead and click on start building the website. So we're going to click on start building the website, and then we'll go ahead and do its magic and build a website for us. So let's hold on for some few seconds, at least probably 1 or 2 minutes. It will be done, and then your website is completely done for you by this amazing AI Zip WP platform over here. We'll do every magic for you, and then you can have your website. Now let's hold on and then see what it does for us. This is beautiful. This thing is beautiful. It makes you wonder what is coming. Let's wait and see. Now, of course, this they call it your draft. Okay, so your draft really means that it is not a full thing for you. You can maintain it as you want it, but then it is a stepping stone for you to build on it, to do whatever thing that you want to do with it. Okay, especially when you are in a hurry, you need something to show your client. You can use this platform to build the website that you want, and then show it to your client, and then you guys can do changes and other stuff on it using WordPress. All right guys, so our website is done. It says what? Woohoo, your website is ready. Yes, it's ready. Now as you can see, it has given you your login credentials over here, so make sure that you copy those credentials, because if you want to export this particular website, you need the credentials to be able to import it onto your website. So make sure that you always copy this one. So I'm going to copy it and then paste it somewhere. Okay, so I'm just going to paste it here on my notepad, and then you can go ahead and then click on customize. Now as you can see, this is the website URL. So if I click on it right now, it's going to show me the website that we created. So as you can see, it says that this website is temporary and not intended for live traffic. So just type in OK, and then you submit so that you understand it, and then you'll be able to go ahead and view the website. So guys, look at how amazing the website is. Very beautiful, very beautiful over here. Okay, so you can go ahead and change anything that you want to change, depending on your needs and other stuff. Okay, so this, they use the green kind of like green color to blend in to build this amazing website for us. Okay, so it gives us our portfolio, it gives us testimonials, it gives us call to action over here, which is really nice. Okay, so you can go ahead and view the about page and see how it looks like. So as you can see, it completely write everything for you. Okay, design everything for you, so delivering top-notch services to businesses worldwide. So as you can see, whatever that we wrote, it gave it to us over here. So digital marketing is a seasoned web design and digital marketing business based in Accra, Ghana. So as you can see, we give our location, so they give us the Accra, Ghana in it. So AI is changing everything for you. Why choose us? Innovation solutions, global reach, and then comprehensive enterprise expertise. Okay, comprehensive expertise. I said enterprise, sorry. And then over here it says take your business to the new to new height. Okay, so that is it. Now I like this about page, very nicely done. Now if you go to the services, it also gives you all your services that you listed in when you were given the a little bit description about your website. So as you can see, web design, digital marketing, website management, and graphic design, everything that we showcase, we wrote. It gives us what it gave it to us over here. Now we did not give a description for it, but it also what give its own description, which is perfectly for me. So I expect web designers specialize in creating visually stunning and user-friendly websites that not only attract attention but also drive engagement. So as you can see, very nice one. Okay, very nice one. And then digital marketing, our digital marketing strategies are designed to increase your online visibility, generate quality leads, and maximize your return on investment. So this is very beautiful. This is brilliant. And when you go over here, it says what? Website management. We offer comprehensive website management service, taking care of routine maintenance tasks, security updates, and content updates, so you can focus on other important aspects of your business. Very good. And then also comes here to say what? Graphic design. So our professional graphic designers create visually stunning graphics that effectively communicate your brand's message and capture the attention of your target audience. From logo design to promotional materials, we ensure that every design element is cohesive and aligned with your brand identity, helping you make a lasting impression. Now this is really good. This is really good. If I don't like anything about this particular platform, all what I like is what their content writing. The AI really knows what it's talking about. Okay, so what it writes, definitely what will really convince people that yes, this is really a web design created by you. Okay, so if you go to contact over here to, it will give you what your contact details and other things, and then even a form. Okay, so that is really nice. So you even get a form over here, your contact details over here, very nicely designed. And then you have a contact us button over here to be able to reach you. So I think this website is very beautiful done. Now if you don't like the color over here, now you see when we're on this page, it says what? Customize website. Okay, so we can click over here to customize the website anyhow that we want it. So we can change the colors and all those kind of stuff, and then we'll be ready to go. So let's just click on customize to customize the website. What is this one? Oh, always allow. Okay, so done. So let me just click over here. All right guys, so there are a lot of colors over here that you can choose from. Okay, so from the the color palette over here, you can choose different colors, okay, for it. So if let's say this is my color, if I click over here, as you can see, everything what changes over here. Okay, and that is the most amazing thing. So you can choose different colors for your your website depending on your brand identity. You can choose it. So if let's say I want this particular one, I'll be able to get this one. So let me just keep this one over here. So I like this particular one. So all what I need to do is to click on save, and then the colors are what are saved over here. So if I come over here and I refresh the website right now, you see that everything has what the colors and everything has changed. Okay, so that is one thing. Now another thing is, if you want to edit the website, now let's say you want to edit this particular website. Now of course it is built on WordPress, so you can be able to edit it. So you can go ahead and then just click on edit page over here, and then it will take you to the WordPress dashboard where you can be able to edit this particular page and all the other pages over there, and then you are good to go. So I'm going to show you how you can be able to edit it using the Gutenberg blog. Okay, so this was created using the Gutenberg blog editor. You can be able to edit it the way you want. So as you can see, this is the blog editor. Let's just close it over here, and let's say we want to change this particular color, or you want to change the text over here. You can be able to change it. So guys, that is it. Now if you don't want it to, of course you can just go ahead and then what, click on delete to delete it. Okay, so that is it. Now everything over here, if you want to change images and all those stuff, you can go ahead and change the image. So maybe about us, you don't want the picture over here. Okay, you want to change the or replace the image, you can go ahead, click over here and then open the media library. And then, you know, if you have your own image over there, I'm going to go to the media library. If you have your own image, you can put it over there. If you don't have your own image and then you want to, you know, use the images over here, you can also what, put it over here. So let's say I want to just use this particular image over here, so I'm going to what, select it, and then it will replace what we have over here. So as you can see, that is it over there. Now it's amazing how this particular thing, you know, works. Okay, how they are able to generate the content and everything for you. So all the images over here, if you don't like it, you can go ahead and then, you know, just delete the image. Now look at the testimonials also. It tells you everything that is genuine. So as you can see, it says what, digital marketing services have greatly improved our online visibility and customer engagement. Working with digital marketing has been a game changer for our business. They deliver results. Now see, you get real like testimonials for you, even though they are fake. It's still what, you know, it's still good for your website to move on. Okay, and that is it. So if everything is okay for you, you can go ahead and click on update and you're good to go. Now let me just click over here and then remove it from full screen mode. And as you can see, it is what, WordPress. Okay, so nothing has changed. It is WordPress. You can go ahead and see your pages over here, and this is what, these are your pages. You have 4 pages created for you. Okay, you can add additional ones if you want to. And then let's go and see the plugins which was installed for us. Okay, so as you can see, only 2 plugins for this website to function well. Only 2 plugins. Okay, just 2 plugins, and this website functions amazingly well. And that is what, that is one particular thing I love about this one. Just 2 plugins. 2 plugins is all you need for your website to function well, and this website functions amazingly well. And that is what, that is one thing about this one. So 2 plugins. Now guys, the next one that I'm going to talk about is very important. Now as you can see over here, now let me go back over here and then just close this one, and then come to my dashboard. Now if you look at it over here, I have created 2 of 3. Okay, 2 of 3, meaning that I'm just left with only 1 to create. Okay, now you can see all your sites over here. As you can see, these are my 2 sites. One is Skytech Digital over here, and the other one is digital marketing, the one that we just created. Now there is a time you know, over here which says your time to expire, meaning that the website that you create on this particular platform have only 24 hours for it to expire. That is the free version. Okay, so the free one only have what, 24 hours, and then it's going to expire. So what you need to do is, quickly after creating it, if you think everything is fine for you, all what you need to do is make sure that you back it up, you bundle it, and then you would export it out over here. Okay, so this is what I mean. So if you go over here, and let's go to the backend. If you go to this particular, you know, this particular website, this is the dashboard over here. Now go to the plugins over here and then click on add new plugin. And when you click on add new plugin, go ahead and add all-in-one WP, all-in-one WP migration. Just add this plugin. Okay, this particular plugin is what we are talking about, all-in-one WP migration over here. Just click on it and click on install to install the plugin. Now we're going to migrate this this particular website that we created to a different environment which we have control over. Okay, so we're going to click on activate to activate it. Now after activating it, all what we need to do is to locate where all-in-one is. So as you can see, it is over here. Okay, so just locate it and then click on export. So we're going to export our website out. Okay, so that is very important, so make sure that you do that. unless maybe you're just playing with it, you don't need the website. But if you need it, just export it out. So we're going to click on export to, okay, and then we're going to use what? File. So we're going to export to file, and then we'll prepare our website for us. And as you can see, we have what? 187 megabytes to download. Okay, so that is the file size. So if your internet is very strong, you're gonna download it easy. So just click on it to download, and then as you can see, it is downloading over here for me. Okay, so this is what it is downloading. Okay, so let it download. After downloading, after you download everything, now go to your WordPress website. Okay, that is your own WordPress website. Now make sure that you've installed WordPress, you are good to go, everything is correctly done, and then go over there and then install the all-in-one WP migration plugin. So as you can see, this is my new WordPress that I have on a different hosting. Okay, so all what I need to do is go to the plugins over here and click on add new. Now we're going to search for all-in-one WP migration plugin. So search for the all-in-one WP migration plugin. Now guys, this is the plugin. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to click on install now, and we're going to click on activate to activate the plugin. All right, so as you can see, I only have one plugin over here. Okay, on my own website. So there is nothing on the website. I just want you to know, let me just go to the website so that you see that there is nothing on the website. Okay, so the only thing on it is just a new WordPress installed website which has nothing. Okay, so as you can see, that is it. Okay, so there is really nothing on it. I have nothing on this particular website. Okay, but then I want to export I want to use all-in-one migration to export whatever thing that we downloaded over here. So as you can see, this particular one that we downloaded, we want to export it over here. So all what we need to do is come to all-in-one import it over here. Sorry, come to all-in-one migration over here, click on import over here, and then you'll be able to import from file. Just click on import from file, or you can drag and drop your your file over here. So make sure that the maximum upload size is 1 gig. Okay, so over here the maximum upload size is what? It's just 1 gig. So we're gonna locate where our file is. Okay, so just look out where you you place your file. So that is exactly what we're gonna do. So I'm just gonna go to my downloads over here, and as you can see, this is the the file that we downloaded. So I'm gonna click on it and then click on open, and then it will import for me. So guys, wait for it to import, and after importing, you're gonna get a brand new website on your website. Now like I told you, you need the the username and password, because after you import it, it's going to ask you username and your password. So make sure that you copy this username and password so that you will always be able to use it whenever you import or export the template or the whole website that you've created at ZipWP. So guys, that is it, and that is how you can be able to create a website using ZipWP. Now ZipWP have, like I told you, free plans, and then they have the free plan and then also the pro plan. So you can decide to upgrade. Okay, so if you want to upgrade, you can go to their website and then go ahead and then upgrade your plan from the free. So I know a lot of people will upgrade because at the moment you start creating 1 or 2 websites and it's limited, you want to upgrade it to the pro plan. So let me just check the ZipWP website.com. Let's go over there and see. All right guys, so let's check the pricing over here. Okay, so at the moment they have 2 pricing over here. Okay, so they said this one is the founders deal, meaning that if you catch in early, the whole year you're gonna spend 399 USD, and then you're gonna what have 10 websites per day, 20 permanent website, meaning that you can keep, after creating it, you can keep up to 20 permanent website. Okay, if you look at over here now, there's this thing over here which says what mark permanent. Okay, and if I click over here, it will tell me to my current plan cannot what mark what permanent. I need to what upgrade the plan. Okay, and that is how it looks like. So if I click on upgrade plan, it will still take me to the Founders Deal, which I have to either pick this plan over here so that I can be able to keep 20 permanent sites over here. Now it also gives you 20 gigabyte of a site size, disk size. And if you go over here and we close this one, you realize that this particular, if I go to my dashboard, realize that this particular give me what 1 gigabyte of size. Okay, and as of now I've used 0.38 gigabyte, and that is what, and that is the free plan. And then you have 10 team members, you can be able to invite them over there. Okay, and then they're also planning to get a white label domain, and then AI wireframe builder also will come, and then you're gonna get the VIP support. Okay, so that is basically this one. Now of course I'm sure that after they enroll this one for some time, everything becomes stable, they will have a regular price. Okay, that is why they have this link over here, which when you click on it will take you to this particular link, which is the regular pricing link. Okay, so as you can see, the Founders Deal is the deal itself, but this one is the regular price over here, which have with the personal, the pro, and then the business plan. Okay, so if you want the Founders Deal, you can still go for it, but if you want something you can just use for a month, then you have to go for the personal or the pro, which, or even the business over here, which of course they bill it yearly. Okay, but if you want the monthly billing, you click over here and you realize that 19 USD per month for if you just want it for a month play, you can use this one and then go ahead and then you would upgrade your plan. So basically that is with Zip WP, and this particular platform I'm sure is going to be a game changer, because these people, any plugin or anything that they bring, they brought the founders of this, or the people who founded this Zip WP are massive people. They brought the Cadence team, a lot of what plugins which you use, you don't even know it is them. They brought it up. You can even check it out from their how do you call it, from their website over here. So let's go to Zip WP and see most of the things that they have brought, and then you realize that you have to trust these people because they are amazing. They are very, very good. Okay, let me close this one. Let's come over here and check them out. Now if you go over here, you scroll down, you're gonna see most of the things that they have done. Okay, so let me see if I will see most of the things that they have done. I think I saw it somewhere. Is it a pricing? Yeah, so this particular guy, Adam, he's one of the guys I follow on YouTube a lot. So, and this guy also is one of the co-founders. These two people are amazing people. They brought a lot of what plugins out that we all use. Okay, so Zip is one of the new plugins that they have brought. I know they brought the Cadence team. They brought, I think, Ultimate plugins for Elementor. So they brought a lot of things. Okay, I don't know why it's not on the website over here, because I've seen it somewhere on this particular website. So I don't know why it's not really here. Let me see. Yeah, so as you can see, the Astra theme. Okay, so they brought the Astra theme. Okay, the cat flow, the project huddle, the starter templates, the ultimate add-ons here, and then the Presto player. Okay, this player too is one of the nicest players over there. Okay, so you can check them out. Okay, check them out. So if you love Astra, then I bet you love this particular Zip WP also. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.